everyone, this is your host Christopher with Toogalin Outdoors, and today I'll be announcing the giveaway winner and also catfishing Drake's Creek. So hopefully y'all do stick around and enjoy the video. Now as for bait, I'm using what I normally use in creeks and stuff, which is shad. It hasn't been working for me the last few times. I may have to pull out the old secret cherry shrimp here in a few. Not this time, I don't have any with me, but here in a little while. We are fishing right off the bank of this structure. I don't know if y'all can see it in the water, but there's like a down tree and stuff right there. We are trying to catch really anything. I would like to catch flathead. That'd be pretty cool. Hopefully we can get a bite, and hopefully this weather holds up for us. It is a pretty gloomy day, but it feels pretty nice out. I was going to actually use the drone for the intro of this video, but the drone's battery was completely. Alright everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. That way I got time to edit and upload this video before it is nighttime. We are going to go back and get the winner announced. If you are one of our 100 subscribers and you haven't already, make sure you turn on that bell notification. That way y'all know when we upload a video. If you missed this giveaway, we are sorry, but there will be more giveaways. Make sure you have that notification sound turned on, so when that time comes, you are able to enter. So next time you see me, we'll be doing the giveaway or the winner announcement. Alright ladies and gents, so we're at the video. What we're going to do is we're going to copy it and then paste it. The link is in there. We're going to press fetch. And then our winner, as you can see, let me zoom in. Our winner is going to be Jamie Thompson. Congratulations, man. You won the giveaway.